Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss not like operator. Not like operator is used to select rows that do not match the specified pattern of characters. It is just opposite of like operator. Now we'll discuss practically how not like operator works. To open employee database, we have to write use employee. To display all records of EMP table, we have to write select star from EMP. To display the names of those employees which do not start with HA, we have to write select star from EMP where name not like within single quote HA %. As we have done in like operator, if we do not want to show the names which ends with A and T, we can write select star from EMP where name not like within single quote %A and T. It will display all the records except Dikshant's because it ends with A and T. If we do not want to show the names of those employees contains AN, then we have to write select star from EMP where name not like within single %AN %. To display the names of those employees whose number of characters is not 5, we have to write select star from EMP where name not like within single quote 5 underscores. It will display the names of those employees whose name does not contain 5 characters. It may be more than 5 or less than 5. Aman is having 4 characters and Dikshant is having 8 characters. If we want to display the names of those employees whose name doesn't contain M as second character, we can write select star from EMP where name not like within single quote _M__. Thanks for watching the video.